Hi YouTube. This is kind of my first gardening video, so it's kind of weird to do improv. But basically I'm going to try and make this under like a minute or two. We're just splitting the banana pups. If you have these pups, basically that's another banana plant you can use. So I mean, I bought one and then it spawned another one. And I just wanted to show you what we're essentially going for. I already split this one about 5 minutes ago and it went real successful. As you can see, I have multiple roots. Sometimes you'll pull it and you only have one root or no roots. That's gonna basically be very hard to survive. But as you can see, this pup isn't that big, so it will be easy to support itself with what I got. If you get, you know, the bigger they go, the more roots they're gonna need to actually make it. So basically, you know, some people do it with the shovel if it's in ground. Mine's in a container. And it's going to actually help this big guy survive too, because he's going to have more space. It'll just buy me more time before I think I'm going to have to do one more transplant for this dwarf banana plant. This is not a big enough container. But basically, I have two different kinds of shovels. So you have two different kinds of shovels. I have a curved one and a flat one. This flat one is going to do a lot better for cutting, which is what we're going for. So if you have a curved one, this one's kind of blunt. I would recommend go for something sharp. You know, some people use a knife and they'll dig in, but I find this will do the trick. So basically, you're just gonna stab down, right? Stab down pretty deep. You wanna get under it and not be just like breaking the plant, because you don't know how deep it actually is. So go as deep as you possibly can and just cut all the way around. The difficult part is gonna be between the pup and the major. So here we go. I'm gonna say right there. That's about as close as it gets. And now I'm just gonna try to, what? I mean, I'm basically cutting in between them. I'm cutting it loose. So yeah, I can tell that loosened it a lot, but it's not fully out yet. So now I'm just gonna make a circle around the plant. And then I'm gonna start prying a little bit. Give it a little bit of pry. Don't do it all in one, you know, pry multiple areas. Until, oh, I think I got it. Here we go. Let's see what we got. And I mean, I think that'll go. We got multiple roots. You know, like I said, I've seen one where it only gets one. He's not too big, so this should work. And then I'm just gonna transplant it into a pot, right? And I have some potting mix. You could use garden soil. These banana plants are pretty forgiving, so that's that. Just plant it, cover it, and hope you enjoy. So yeah, I'm starting up this channel, The Houston Gardener. I got peach trees, grape trees, all sorts of citrus, mulberries, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. And let me just show you real quick my germinating operation. Got a lot of things germinating here. Flax. What's this guy? Mountain sage. Looks like my zinnias are doing good. Dahlias. Got hollyhocks. Straw flower. What's this guy? I mean, just all sorts of stuff. Let me show you. It rained, unfortunately, the other day. So I did lose quite a bit. I just didn't have enough time to bring it inside. But yeah, I got about 100,000 plants going right now. So let's hope that works out.